Welcome to the Orientation to Online Learning course. This course is designed for students to navigate and learn how to use our D2L system and learn a little bit more about online learning at Pima Community College. To navigate this course, you will look up at this navigation bar up top and click in the Content menu. Once you are in the Content menu, on the left-hand side, you will see various information which are called modules. Each module will have a different area of items that you need to complete to finish this course. So, for example, in the Welcome module, there are directions to begin this course. Once you complete those, you can go on to the next module, the Start Here module, and complete all of these activities in the course. There will be a progress bar along the way that tells you how much of the course you have completed. So in this example, 16% or one of 6 topics have been completed in this module. You can view if you've completed a topic within the module by seeing if there is a check mark next to it. A check mark means that you have completed that task or activity. Please complete all of the tasks in each of the modules. Once you get to the end of the course or the finish line module, after you have completed all of the activities, you will be able to download a certificate of completion. This downloadable certificate may be required for other online classes that you take. An instructor may require it as an assignment, so it's important to download this certificate to your computer and device so that you can always have it in case that you need it. The OOL course does remain open for your entire time at Pima Online, and so if you ever misplace your certificate of completion, you can simply go to the Tools bar and scroll down to the Awards tab. And if you have completed the course, an award will show up under your Awards tab. And that is how you get started and navigate in the OOL 100 class. Thank you.